Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set the iPhone control center on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Now from this list, just select your language, then tap on OK. From here, tap on OK. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back. Then tap on Control Center OS and enable this toggle. Then go back and tap on OK. Now from this list, just open the Control Center OS and enable this toggle. Then select Allow. After that, just go back. Now just swipe down from this bar over here. And once you do that, you will open the iPhone Control Center on your smartphone. Now just give this app this permission. And from this app, you can also customize the control center as you like. If you tap on Customize Controls, you can add any shortcut from here. You can add an app shortcut to your control center, or you can add any function to the control center from here, just like that. And also you can change the background of your control center. For that, just tap on Background Image, and from here you can either select the default wallpaper or you can select a wallpaper from your gallery app. And finally, you have the option of transparent. And finally, if you want to hide this bar, just scroll down and under Customize, you will be able to customize the bar of the control center. If you tap on Color, you can change the color to white. And if you want to hide this bar, just decrease the opacity of the bar. Just like that. And from here, you can change the width and the length of the bar of the control center. Just like that. And this is how you can set iPhone control center on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.